Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest video. Hope you like and share. Hope you like my last one I done, showing some wiring and some new lighting I put on the layout. This one's all about the top warehouse I've been working on. Well, I've actually extended it and put this nice vinyl on top of it now to make it a nice smooth finish. So what I've got to really do now is put the fence around and start designing this again. But like I say, when you look at it now, it's nice and smooth all the way around. It's opened this area up quite a lot now, because I've started getting some few Arctics up there and start making quite a nice space. So that was one of the changes I've done. So like I say, I've still got to put the barbed wire fencing all the way around it and bring it come alive. Like I say, I've got two tracks coming around here now. I've done away with one, so I can make that a bit opening up. So I thought it's quite nice having more of a scenery and then track, as I've only got a small layout. So I'm hoping to do this bit around here. Like you say, I've got the front loader here. I've got the old network rail cleaning machine here. Just goes to show you, it doesn't look too space. Plus the level crossing stays where it is. I've just got to put the gates on that now and bring that back to life. But like I say, I've had to move quite a lot of this stuff out of the way just to make space and do different things. Like I say, I've got this bit over here now with the track in place. So I've got to work over the back. I've just done these fencing from vehicles around here at the moment, plus the Class 66 over the back. As you come around here now, on the back wall now, I'm going to still keep the old retaining walls, but I've done away with the cheap lights now and I've gone for the Backman ones. So I'm hoping they'll come in next week. They do look quite impressive. They're quite expensive, but they do look the job. So I'm hoping they will come in next week and put those on my next layout video. So something to look forward to. So this was a quick update showing what I'm up to. So what I'm hoping to do this week is finish the top, get the fencing on that, open that area up and start working on this front bit here where I've just covered this over the moment to start again. So lots going on. So I hope you stay tuned and watch my next journey and see how I'm progressing on my layout. So it's Diesel Dave saying take care and I'll see you soon.